Hello you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading all the time recently. Today we have a really exciting video. We're going to be doing a full unboxing of the Revolution Pro Rockstar advent calendar. But before we get into it, we actually have a sponsorship for this video, which is unbelievable, and I'm so thankful. So Ana Luisa have very kindly sponsored the beginning part of this video and a little bit at the end as well, and they very kindly gifted me some pieces to show you. If you've watched my channel for the past year, a year ago I was introduced to Ana Luisa. I did some gifted work with them a year ago, and you'll have seen me wear the pearl earrings that they gifted to me for the past year. I've worn them near enough every single day. Every single video I have basically the little pearl hoops on and the little pearl studs, and they have very kindly let me pick some more pieces to share with you because they have buy one get one 60% off on their website at the moment, and it literally is on sale until the 29th of November as well. These are my little pearl ones that you'll be so used to me wearing, and then my little pearl stud as well. I love these. Like, I literally shower in these and they've never tarnished or anything like that. Like, they still look completely brand new, and that's why I love them. That's why I love the brand. If you remember my journey like a year ago, I was looking for jewellery that wasn't going to tarnish, that I could wear and that wouldn't be like a problem. It wasn't something that I had to worry about. And then Ana Luisa got in touch with me and I tried them, and a year later I never ever really had them out of my ears. So they're very kind of me pick up some more pieces, so I'm going to show you the pieces that I picked up and do some close-ups for you. So first up we have the main star of the show, which actually ironically it's got a bit of a pun intended because there is a star on the earring, which wasn't really planned, but this is just what the earrings look like. So these are gold little huggy 14 karat gold plated on brass earrings, and these are called the Celeste earrings. I absolutely love these. I think they are stunning. You'll have seen me been wearing them recently in recent videos, and then I also picked to go with them, which I'll show you, is this little stud. This stud matches with the like shimmery part of the Celeste earrings so nicely. So this is just what it looks like. So these are the Zara stud earrings, and as you can see they are like a little 3 cluster of kind of gems, like sparkly, I don't know what it actually is, but a bit of sparkle, and it just matches the sparkle of the little huggy hoops and the little moon and the little star just perfectly. That's why I like to have these paired together. I love my little pearl earring set. Obviously I know that you've seen me wear these, where I wear the little gold hoop with a little pearl drop and then also the little pearl stud, and I thought that's what I want again for my next set of earrings that I can interchange between. I want ones that can actually go really nicely together, and this is what I picked. So that is the earrings that I picked. I'm just pop them back in because I feel a bit bare without my earrings in. I also sleep with my earrings in. I shower with them in. Sometimes I take them out just for a change sometimes when I shower, but most of the time I shower with them in. To make them last longer, they advise not to shower with them and to take them out, but I always forget that I have them in, to be honest with you. I'm just so used to having them in 24/7. And this is the little necklace that I picked. So this is actually 2 necklaces in one. It's called their heritage necklace, so you can wear them both together. You can just wear one depending on what you want, but it does come in a 2-pack, and I'm going to show you the really good thing about these. So I don't know if you can see there, but the actual necklace itself has 3 different hoops that you can use, so you can adjust the length of the necklace. And if you remember when I did my video with them last year, I mentioned that I feel very claustrophobic by necklaces, so the fact that it has the adjustable kind of hoops on it, so I can do it to how I want and how I'm feeling that day, especially if my anxiety is a lot worse, then I always like to have my necklaces looser, or I just can't wear them at all. So the fact that I can actually adjust them and still keep the same necklaces on that I'm wearing, perfect. And it means you can have a little play around with the length and how you want them to lay, and it does look beautiful by itself. You could wear the longer one by itself, so you're getting like a nice little 2-in-1 with the heritage necklace. All of the packaging is made out of recycled paper, and you can continue to obviously to recycle it as well. When you get your stuff, it all comes in reusable pouches, so you can keep your jewellery. This one's beautiful. I love the the green colour, like greeny blue. And I've just been keeping my pearl earrings in here just so that I didn't lose them, because I honestly would cry if I lost them. I honestly couldn't pick between these ones and these ones. I feel like the different vibes of Lucy. But yeah, I just absolutely love the brand. You'll know anyway because you've been watching me. If you've watched me for the past year, majority of my videos, I'm wearing my little pearl hoops and my little pearl studs. So yeah, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Ana Luisa. I do have a link down below if you want to go check it out. If you can, please use it. It's not a commission link, but obviously it helps Ana Luisa to see who is using my link, so they know whether they want to work with me in the future. So thank you so much if you do. And don't forget to buy one, get one 60% off up until the 29th of November. So be quick. So I'm going to pop my necklace back on and let's get straight into this advent calendar because it's going to be a juicy one. So looking on Revolution's website, this has 12 doors and it normally retails for £55. So that equals to £4.58 per door. However, it is currently reduced in the Black Friday sale to £27.50. So let's see how much it'd be worth for each door when it's that. £2.29. So I'm going to do it based off of both of them prices today because I would like to see whether the door is worth how much you've technically paid for. So let's just get straight into it because I've not sneaky previewed it or anything. So I'm excited to get straight into this bad boy. Let's go to door number one. Ooh, so door number one is one of their Rockstar Hydrate and Shine lipsticks. This one is in the shade Stripped, which I don't actually think I have. No, I don't actually have this one, so that's a nice one to add to my collection. If you are wondering what I've got on my lips, by the way, it is MAC Soar Lip Liner and Creme Cup Lipstick. Do you remember when I used to love this combination? Oh, she's sexy. But anyways, this is what the... Ooh, actually matches really well to what I've got on. This is what the lipstick looks like. So that is the shade Stripped. Door number two seems to be a similar shape. So I wonder if this is going to be a lipstick as well. Ooh, it is. Okay, so this is another one of their Rockstar, obviously it's Rockstar because it's Rockstar Advent Calendar, but it's one of their Hydrate and Shine lipsticks. This one is in the shade Cashmere. I wonder if I've got this one. Oh yeah, I actually already have the shade Cashmere, so I'll show you mine. That's just what that one looks like. And then day number three is the compact mirror. Never really impressed with compact mirrors, but this is like the Goddess Glow one where it's like a fancy compact mirror. It's not just like a circle one with like a print on one side. This has like the embossing for like the Rockstar stuff. It has like Revolution Pro on the back, and then obviously it just looks like this. So at least it's a bougie kind of heavy luxurious one. But I just wish that brands would stop putting compact mirrors in advent calendar because we're literally drowning in the compact mirrors, like nobody needs them. Next up is number 4, which is a bigger size box. Ooh, so we have some eyelash curlers. So this is the Rev Pro. I love that they're gold. Oh, they're nice. Eyelash curlers. That's what they look like. So far we've got like, say if we're doing it by £4.58 per door, it's definitely been worth it so far. Maybe not the compact mirror, obviously I know it is a bit of a bougie one, but still. But for the £2.29 whilst it's on the sale, I'm more than happy for what's behind these doors so far. Next up we have a smaller one for day 5. So this just says Golden Rose and just has a little eyeball emoji on it. So let's see, I'm assuming it's going to be like a glitter or like a glittery cream eyeshadow or something. Oh, that is nice. You all know I'm a sucker for gold anyway. But that is nice. So that is just a cream eyeshadow. Door number 6 is a huge one, the biggest one out of the whole advent calendar. Ooh, okay, so it's very similar. This advent calendar just giving me the same kind of vibes of the Goddess Glow one, because that one also had a really nice bag in it. So this is just a little mini Revolution Pro bag that matches obviously their whole Rockstar collection theme as well. For £2.29, I'm happy to get a bag behind that door, but for like £4.58, I'm a bit like, especially because considering the Goddess Glow bag, the little mini bag that you got on that one, I think I've put it back in the advent calendar, but I was using it for hair clips and stuff. It's a really good quality, like really nice bag. So yeah, I think I prefer the bag definitely in the other one. And then we have day 7, which is a long skinny one. So day 7 has the Rockstar Felt Eyeliner, just a black felt tip eyeliner, which is my favourite kind of eyeliner. Very happy to have that behind that door. I love as well with this one, and obviously I know I keep talking about the Goddess Glow one. I love that it's like proper things in it, not just like advent calendar makeup, if that makes sense. Like it's actual like branded stuff. So we have day 8, which is a longer one, and okay. So we have a nail file. I must admit, at least it's like a proper one. It's not like, I did have one. I've got one on my floor. I'll show you. It's not like it's one of these ones, do you know what I mean? Where I'd be fuming if I'd paid £4.58 or £2.29 for that tip behind the door. At least it's a proper one. It's a nice one. It's got like a little case, but I just like makeup. I don't want anything like this. However, I have recently been using a nail file just to file the sides of my nails after I recently got them done. So I would actually use this, weirdly enough, even though I do get my nails done myself. So yeah, that is behind door number 8. I just wish I'd rather have had like a lip liner, you know what I mean? Or another lipstick, like give me all the lipsticks. Number 9 is a really long one again, but this one is a bit fatter. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, so this is their volume mascara. She's big and chunky. I love, by the way, as well, that we've had nothing mini in here. It's all been full size. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, again, happy to have a mascara behind that door. Day number 10 is the same shape as day 8. I'm really hoping it's not another nail thing. Like, surely not. What else would it be? Ooh, there's 2 things in here. What is this? Oh, it's brushes. Okay, so this is the Pro Rockstar Eye Brush Duo. Oh, these are the shape brushes that I like to use as well. I'm going to have to open this because this is my kind of thing. These brushes are bougie. Very, very bougie. Not just kind of cheap advent calendar ones. I like them a lot. So these kind of brushes are the ones that I normally use to pack on my colour, and then this is normally the one that I use to like kind of blend out this kind of shape. I love that it's not like a big massive fluffy brush either. It's a nice kind of small one. Very happy with that. Very happy that there's 2 behind one door, because it was just one of them. I'd be very angry that I was paying like £4.58 for that. £2.29, not too bothered, but £4.58. I'd be like, where's the rest? But yeah, very, very happy with that. And I love to add more brushes to my collection because it means I don't have to wash mine as often, because then I can just get a new one out. And then we have door number 11, second from last. It just looks like this. This is actually the same size as number 3. It's a palette. So this is like a little eyeshadow quad. Ooh, so it's all shimmers, but it is nice. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So this is just what it looks like. Oh, honestly, like this one and the Goddess Glow one are definitely just my vibe, because it is very gold and very warm. I just feel like very loosing. But yeah, this is what the little eyeshadow quad looks like. So super, super, super shimmery and just beautiful. You can see it a lot better there with the colours. Very, very rich in colours as well. So that is behind door number 11, which I'm very, very happy with. I'm very happy to be paying the price behind that door. And then last but not least, we have the same shape, but this is door number 12. This looks like to be another palette. It's another eye quad. Do you know what I love? When like the last day or the last couple of days have like the best things in them, because I feel like that kind of brings, like, it gets like all that like build up and you get really excited for it. And I hate it when you've got like a rubbish one for like the last day. But this is another one. It is all shimmers again. Oh, I mean, that one's beautiful, called Divine. Oh, that is nice. And then this is just what it looks like. Really, really nice. So, so, so cute and adorable. It would have been nice if one of them was all matte and one of them were all shimmers. However, I'm more than happy to reach for a little quad that has a load of shimmers in it than what I would be to reach for a big palette that had loads of shimmers in it and then trying to find mattes. I just love it. I just think it's so cute in the little mirror. So again, very, very happy for the price tag that you're paying behind that door, especially if you get it whilst it's in the Black Friday sale. Would really recommend getting it whilst it's on sale. Save yourself some pennies. So yeah, that is everything that is in the advent calendar. I would love to know what you think. Are you going to pick it up whilst it's on sale? Have you already got it? Please don't forget to go check out Ana Luisa using my link down below. Like I said, until the 29th of November, it's buy one, get one, 60% off. So if you want to go get anything, make sure that you go and do it now. They also have silver things as well, because I was talking to some of my patrons, because some some of you notice things. So I've had like 2 or 3 of my patrons message me and say, where have you got your earrings from? Because I've noticed your earrings have changed. And considering I've literally just changed to like obviously a different version of a hoop and a different version of a stud, it's not like a massive change. It's not like I've gone from like studs to like a big hoop. You spot things, like use it on the ball. So yeah, I had somebody message me about my earrings, and I mentioned about Ana Luisa and stuff, and they said, did they do silver? Yes, they do. They do have silver on their website, sterling silver as well. So yeah, please check the link down below. Thank you so much for all of your support. If it wasn't for you, like I wouldn't be getting a sponsorship. Like, blows my mind. So yeah, thank you to Ana Luisa, and thank you to you. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Love you so much. I think tomorrow's video is going to be brats, I think. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.